Welcome to Excellence Oyster Bay. We are checking out our room at the Beach House Oceanfront private pool, and I'm going to give you a little tour. So let's walk through here. Love is in the air in Jamaica. We've got our swan towel art, which is always welcome. And then we have your jacuzzi tub, looking out to your private pool, looking out to the ocean. Absolutely gorgeous views here at Excellence Oyster Bay. Let me take you over here to the rest of the room. You have your sitting area, a welcome bottle of rum. And with the Excellence Club rooms, you get really nice bottles of alcohol included. And then you get your stocked mini bar as Dave's opening up. You get your Red Stripe beer, and for the Americans you have the Budweiser and Bud Light, water, Coke, Diet Coke, and you can request how you want to have that stocked. And for our people with a sweet tooth, you get some Oreos. So that's awesome. And you have a nice sitting area with your sofa, and then you come out to your veranda and you have a nice beach bed, a couple of Adirondack chairs, and then you have your private pool. So this is a beautiful room for our honeymooners, for anniversary couples, for just anyone that wants to get away. So here's our view, which is absolutely gorgeous. And these are the beach house rooms at Excellence Oyster Bay. And we just happen to be in front of the wedding area. This resort is out on a peninsula, so the beach goes for miles around this resort. It was about a mile drive just to get back here, which was amazing. So anyway, we're going to have a lot more information about Excellence Oyster Bay. This is Kim with Love to Travel in Overland Park, Kansas, and so we're going to be showing you several different resorts. I think we're going to be touring 10 resorts while we're here, but we are so excited to show you this brand new resort that just opened in June, Excellence Oyster Bay.